All right, welcome to StockPricer.com. I am very excited to share with you this new finding that I found. I scoured through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of stocks over the weekends, looking at charts until my eyes hurt, and I whittled it down to 6 picks, and this is number 5. And when I saw it, it took my breath away. It could be my number 1 pick too. I cannot recommend that you buy anything. I'm going to take a position in this company. I really feel confident. It's one that, number 1, everybody understands what they do. It's Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings. That's the largest billboard company in the United States. I think they got their hands in TV and other stuff too. It's got a really good looking chart here on the monthly. So let me show you the monthly. Let's just break it down here. And you can see that it's just going up, and then right here, the last 3 months, so it just went up, and up on the monthly, which is really powerful. There's not much of an area of resistance. It's going to be right here in about 268. Let's look at the weekly chart and get a little better angle on this. I like starting at the monthly view. The reason why is it gives me kind of the big picture. Then I come into the weekly, and then I come into the daily, and that's how I do it. So here we are on the weekly chart. It moved above its 50-day moving average about, let's see, it crossed through this 50-day. That's the red line. Looks like it crossed through right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 weeks ago. So about 50 days ago, it crossed through that 50-day big area of resistance, and now you can see here's the 200-day. That's going to be something that maybe wants to stop it. And then up here too, you got a lot of room, this area of resistance. Now, during my research, I started reading on this company, and there is a company that bought just recently 7% of this company. ARES is this ticker symbol. They picked up 7% of this company. So if we look at that company, this was pretty impressive. Look at their chart, just up and up and up and up and up to like $50. If these guys, this billion-dollar conglomerate, steps up and buys 7%, like 33 million shares, wow, that's really saying something. So back over here, we're looking at the weekly chart, and very impressive. Just a nice line. Look at the beautiful line from 36 cents all the way to $1.99. So it doubled. You know, it's way up. This is the pandemic right here. So this is pre-pandemic. So it did really fall down pre-pandemic. But if, again, let's go back even further to like here, and you can see this is all the way back in, geez, when was this? This is a long time ago. 2008. So right here is 2007, 2006, when it was $30. So those days are long gone, but they could be back. You know, they have the outdoor advertising angle, and they're the big one. They're the big boys. So 1160 could get to there, and the next spot is about $5. That'd be a nice increase to get to $5. So you're gonna, you know, more than double your money, just having it go through this, and then its next ceiling. This is a long-term trade strategy. We're looking at the monthly. See a nice accumulation, all blue, up for the last 90 days in a row. That shows me a lot of sign of strength over a sustained period of time. We look at that weekly, huge volume, some of the biggest volume that it's had. That's obviously probably because of that other company stepped up, but who knows how many more shares they might get. They might be trying to get an acquisition of this company. I don't know. But this is a beautiful chart. Let me look at some other things here that I can share with you. They've year over year, they did $2,685 million. If we go back 8 quarters ago, and then we look at 8 quarters to the 5 quarters, they did, so 2 years ago they did 2,685 million, and then last year, or the last 4 quarters that they reported, 2,058 million, which is a 24.5% year-over-year decline in revenue. However, because of the fact of the pandemic, everybody's shutting off their advertising. So here's my thought, here's my play. everybody is going to start spending money on advertising and marketing, and the companies are going to start wanting to get out on those billboards again. You know, society is going to open up here. It's not going to stay shut down forever. And when that happens, this stock is going to go ba-boom. This is my thought. So they have a new CEO in '05 of 2019. So that's pretty recent to have a new CEO. And you can see here, oh, this is okay. So we're going back. So anyway, all in all, I really love this one. It's got a steady trend line. Last week, if we look here, let's look at the daily chart. Just look at this nice little daily chart. See how it's got this new report right here. We go from all the way from November. It's just going. You know, new lows are getting higher and higher and higher, and new highs are getting higher and higher and higher. The 90 days, a very, very, very good sign. It, even with the stock market crashing, not crashing, but correcting, this company held its strength here. Look at this nice flag. So it could be any moment that it just explodes all the way up to here, to this 287 from where it's at. And that'd be a buck going up. So this is my pick. It is Clear Channel Outdoor, and I think it's a winner.